Hey guys, Rana back again with new video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a professional AliExpress dropshipping website from start to finish. If you are totally new to dropshipping business or what is AliExpress dropshipping website, well, in this type of business you are simply selling someone else's product on your own website and you will get the commission. You don't need to worry about managing your warehouses, and you don't need to buy any product on wholesale price and sell it on retail price. Simply import product from AliExpress into your website and sell it with your commission, right? To create a professional AliExpress dropshipping website, you have to go through many steps. I'll leave the timestamps in the description box of this video so that you can jump straight into that particular step by clicking on that timestamp code, right? So make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'll show you every single step in this video to create a professional AliExpress dropshipping website. So without wasting more time, let's look at what kind of website that we are going to create. So let's get started.
So guys, in this video we are going to create a website like this. If you look at the header section, you can see we have the logo area right here. You can replace your own logo. Right next to the logo, you can see we have the search bar right here. People can search any product from your website. Right side of the search bar, you can see we have the login area right here, and we have the currency switcher as well, you can see, and we have the wish list as well as we have the cart page. Below that we have the menus and sub menus, and this is a slider. You can see we have 3 slider here, but you can create as many slider as you want. You can showcase your product right here. Below that you can see we have the shop by category section right here. You can create your own shop by category section, and below that we have the best deal section right here. You can showcase your product here. And next we have the just arrived product. Below the just arrived we have the trending now product, as you can see that. And next we have the online exclusive section right here. Just below the online exclusive we have the testimonial section right here. You can see that, customer reviews, stuff like that. And below that we have the shop or Instagram section right here. And some dummy text here, but you can replace that with your own text. Just below that we have the newsletter section right here. People can subscribe to your newsletter by typing their email, and then they can subscribe to your newsletter. And below that you can see we have this type of area right here: free delivery, free return, need help, and money back guarantee. You can add more logos and text over here if you want. And this is our footer area right here, you can see, and this is our footer area right here. You can edit your contact information, your company information, purchase information, and you can add your social media profile over here. And of course you can edit every single element right here. So guys, this is going to be a product page. If someone wants to buy this product, they have to select the variation and quantity, and then they can add product into their cart page, and this slider will comes up, and here they can go to the cart page or they can proceed to the checkout if they want. Let's go ahead and look at the cart page. So guys, this is a beautiful cart page, looks like. Here they can proceed to checkout. So guys, this is the checkout page. Here your customer have to type their billing information and payment detail to complete this purchase, right? So guys, you can go to the cart page by clicking over here as well. Moreover, this website going to be a responsive website. Responsive means this website going to be a mobile friendly. If I shrink this website down, as you can see that, if someone going to open this website on mobile devices, this website turn into e-commerce mobile app, right? As you can see that. If you go to the top in the header section, left side, we have the burger menu icon. If someone going to click on that, they can go to any menu right here. They can shop by category, they can do whatever they want. They can change the currency by clicking on the currency switcher. They can log in by clicking over here. They can close the burger menu icon. They can search anything over here by clicking over here. They can go to the wish list. Every single thing they can do on mobile devices as well. So we are going to build exact same website. So before we get started, let's look at what kind of things that you are going to learn in this video. We'll start building our website by getting hosting and domain. After building our website, I'll show you how you can install a free SSL certificate. You will learn how to install two different types of SSL certificate, like flexible and full encryption mode SSL certificate. And we are going to look at the essential settings of WordPress. Next, I'll show you how you can create a free shipping class as well as a paid shipping class. Next, I'll show you how you can customize your AliExpress dropshipping website. Moreover, I'll show you how you can enable PayPal payment gateway on your AliExpress dropshipping website. And we are going to look at how to import product directly from AliExpress into your AliExpress dropshipping website. You will learn how to publish SEO-friendly product on your website. Later, I'll give you a demo how your customer going to buy a product from your website. Once they buy it, what are the process that you have to do to complete your pending orders. Once we finish building our website, you will learn how to submit your website on popular search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. In the end, I'll show you how you can make your website SEO friendly. Alright, to get started, let's go to the first link in the description box of this video and click on that. It will take you to GoDaddy's website. To create any website, it requires web hosting and domain name. If you do not know about web hosting and domain name or stuff like that, well, web hosting is a place where all your website file will be stored. And domain name is your website name, like godaddy.com, google.com, facebook.com. Okay, so in our first step, we are going to get a hosting and domain. When you land on this web page, here you can choose your plan according to your requirement. If you are totally new, you can go with starter plan or economy plan. Both plan comes with free domain name. But if you know a little bit about web hosting, then you can go with deluxe or ultimate plan, because these two plans comes with unlimited websites, unlimited database, and many other features. So I'm going to select economy plan because this plan comes with free domain name and professional email. I'm going to click on add to cart. Now here you can type your domain name because this plan comes with a free domain name. Remember, domain name going to be your website name. So I'm going to type my domain name over here and then click on submit. Now I'm going to click on select and continue. So on this page, you can select your web hosting for 12 months or you can go with 24 or 36. So I'm going to select 12 month. Now scroll down and then click on checkout. So on this page, you have to create an account if you are new to GoDaddy. Since I already have an account, I'm going to click on sign in. I'm going to log in with my existing account. Let's click on sign in. So on this page, I'm going to type my card detail to complete my payment and then click on save. So on this page, you have to type your billing information. In my case, it is already there. So I do not need to type my billing information. You can see it's already there. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on complete purchase. So now I have to allow the pop-up. Now I have to pay this amount. So I'm going to type my OTP and then click on submit. So once you place an order, then go to my account. If you do not know where is my account tab, you can simply go to your profile, this drop down button, and then you can click on my product. You will land on the same web page. Okay, so as you can see that we just bought a web hosting from GoDaddy. So in the next step, we are going to install a WordPress. To get started, let's scroll down. Now click on manage all alongside web hosting. Now click on this drop down button and click on setup. So now you have to select your domain. I'm going to select this domain that we just bought with this plan. So here you have to select your data center. I'm going to select Asia. Now click on yes, let's do it. Type your WordPress username and create your password and type your password once again and then click on next. So here you can create a branded email ID which look more professional. Here I'm going to type info@𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 Updating domain, applying things, onboarding completed successfully. Now click on go to the dashboard. So I'm going to click on no, I don't want to participate, and then click on confirm. So guys, we have successfully installed a WordPress. To access your WordPress dashboard, simply click on admin, scroll down and click on use default WordPress, and then click on yes, I'm sure, and then click on no thanks, I just want to exit. Alright guys, so this is our WordPress dashboard. If you hover your mouse over here and then right click and open up a new tab, and this is your WordPress website looks like by default. Let's close these tabs. So guys, now we are going to install a SSL certificate on this website. If you hover your mouse over here on this lock, you will see connection is not secure, which means information shared between your website and your visitor will not be secure. To secure your website, you have to install a SSL certificate. So guys, there are two types of SSL certificate that you will learn on this video. I'll tell you everything about those SSL certificate, how to install them and what are the difference between them. First, we are going to install a flexible SSL certificate, and later I'll show you how to install a full inscription mode SSL certificate. So let's get started and let's install a flexible SSL certificate. To install a SSL certificate, we have to create a Cloudflare account. So let's go ahead and open up a new tab. Let's open google.com and perform a Google search for Cloudflare and open up this website, cloudflare.com. So on this website, you have to create an account. Let's go ahead, click on sign up. Here type your email and type your password and then click on create account. So now we have to activate our Cloudflare account. Cloudflare has sent us a verification email at our email address. Let's go ahead, open up your mailbox. So as you can see that Cloudflare has sent us a verification email. Let's open up this email and now let's verify by clicking on this link. So as you can see that our email address is now verified, which means our Cloudflare account is activated. Let's click on continue to dashboard. Let's close these tabs. Now we can add our website on this Cloudflare account. To add a site, you can click over here or you can click over here. Alright. So in my case, I will not add my domain name on this Cloudflare account. Basically, I'll keep all my domains in one Cloudflare account. Let me show you what I mean by that. So let me quickly log out to this account. So now let me quickly log in into my official Cloudflare account. So now I'm inside my official Cloudflare account. So these are my domain name and I'm gonna add a brand new domain to this Cloudflare account. To do that, let's go ahead, click on add site and then simply type your domain name and then click on add site. So on this page, you have to select your plan. Let's scroll down and select free plan and then click on continue. Now Cloudflare is scanning a DNS record of this domain name. Now Cloudflare has scanned all the DNS record. Now simply scroll down and then click on continue. So on this page, Cloudflare is simply telling us that you have to remove your name server from your domain name. My domain name is registered with GoDaddy. So I have to remove GoDaddy's name server from my domain name and I have to add Cloudflare name server into my domain name. Simply, we have to replace these name server, right? If you don't get it, let me show you what I mean by that. Let's simply copy a name server, first one, and let's go to your domain registrar. In my case, this is a GoDaddy. So once you log in into your GoDaddy account, you have to go to My Product. Under the Domains section, select your domain and then click on Manage DNS and then scroll down. You will see a section called Name Servers. Simply click on Change and then click on Enter My Own Name Server and type your name server over here. And let's copy the second one from Cloudflare let's go back to GoDaddy and paste the second name server. Once you do that, simply click on save and select this option and then click on continue. So we are done here. Let's go back to Cloudflare, scroll down and then click on done check name server. So on this page, let's click on get started. Now click on save. Now you have to turn this on. Always use HTTPS Hypertext Transfer Protocol and then click on save. Now click on save once again. One more time, click on save. And finally click on finish. Now we have successfully installed a flexible SSL certificate on our domain name. So let's go ahead and check it out. Let's go to your website and type HTTPS, // and enter. If you see a warning like this, which means SSL certificate is not reflecting on your domain name, this is happening just because of caching. When your computer remove all the caching automatically, you will see SSL certificate working on your domain name. It may take up to 24 hours. Sometimes it reflects instantly. However, you may have to wait for a couple of hours or couple of minutes, but you have to keep checking your domain name time to time. Let's go back and open our website without SSL certificate. So now we have to install a free plugin on our website. Let's go to plugins and then click on add new and search a plugin simple SSL and install this plugin. Really simple SSL. Click on install now and then click on activate. Now click on go ahead activate SSL certificate. So before we proceed with our next step, let me tell you one thing. Your domain name has SSL certificate in it. I'm telling you this why? Because Cloudflare telling us your site is protected with Cloudflare. Okay. To prove that, let me open up this domain name with VPN. Let's copy a domain name. Let me use a VPN and let's open your domain name using HTTPS. Alright guys, as you can see, connection is secure, which means your domain name has a SSL certificate. So this is a flexible SSL certificate. Let me stop VPN. Let's refresh the page. And now you can see that connection is not secure. This is happening just because of caching. So don't worry about it. Wait for up to 24 hours. Let's open up this domain name without SSL certificate. Let's remove this S. Let's go to your Cloudflare account. Alright guys, now we are going to install a full inscription mode SSL certificate. But before that, let's look at the difference between flexible and full inscription mode. Flexible SSL certificate secures the sensitive information between user and your website, not a server. And the contrary, full inscription mode secures the sensitive information between user and your website plus between a server. So now let me show you how you can install a full inscription mode SSL certificate. First of all, let's go to your Cloudflare account and now click on SSL/TLS. Let's click on this lock. Alright, as you can see that if flexible selected, information or connection secure between visitor and Cloudflare. If you go with full inscription mode, end-to-end inscription mode, that means your server will be secure as well. So let's go ahead and select full inscription mode and now click on origin server and then click on create certificate and then scroll down. You can see that this certificate is valid maximum 15 years. After 15 years, you can renew this SSL certificate. But I think this is enough with the free plan. Now simply click on create. So now we have to copy these text and paste into our domain registrar. Let me show you how you can do that. Let's simply click on click to copy. Your text will be copied. And now let's go to your domain registrar and let's go to your account. Let's go to my account and let's scroll down. Let's go to your hosting panel. Let's click on manage alongside with web hosting. So now we are inside the hosting panel. So I'm using a GoDaddy's cPanel hosting. Let's go ahead, open up a cPanel dashboard. Alright guys, so now we are inside a GoDaddy's cPanel web hosting. Let's scroll down and now click on SSL/TLS under the security section. So here, now click on Manage SSL Sites. Now scroll down. Here we have to paste our CTR, but before that, let's select your domain and now paste your certificate over here. Let's go back here. Let's copy your origin certificate. Let's go back to your hosting and paste your certificate just like that. Scroll down. Here we have to paste a private key text. Let's go back to Cloudflare. Let's copy a private key text. Let's go back to your hosting and paste it over here. And now scroll down. So now we need an authority bundle. To get that, go to the description box of this video and click on the authority bundle link and you will land on this website. Here, simply scroll down and now click on Cloudflare Origin CA RSA Roots. Open this up and copy this authority bundle and let's go back to your hosting and paste your authority bundle over here and simply click on Install Certificate and then click OK. Alright, so our SSL certificate. Alright guys, now we have successfully installed a full encryption mode SSL certificate on our website. Let's go back to your website and let's log in once again. So you still see this message. Don't worry, just wait for a couple of hours. Your problem will be fixed. So guys, I'll see you when my SSL certificate reflects on my domain name.
1 hour later.
So guys, as you can see that my full inscription mode SSL certificate now reflecting on my domain name as well. So as you can see that there is no VPN. If I refresh the page, you can see that SSL certificate still there. For me, it took almost 1 hour to reflect on my domain name. In your case, it could work anytime between 24 hours. You just have to wait for it. Alright, so let's move with our next step. Now we are going to design our website. Now we are going to install a theme to give our website a brand new look. To do that, let's go ahead and log in into our WordPress dashboard. To log in into a dashboard, simply type your domain name and after that type /wp-admin and press enter and it will take you to login page. Here, simply type your username and password and click on login. So this is our WordPress dashboard. Now we are going to install a theme. Let's hover your mouse over appearance and then click on themes and then click on add new and then click on upload theme. So here you have to add your theme. So guys, in this video we are going to use premium theme because we are building a strong AliExpress dropshipping website. So let's go ahead and download this theme first and then we are going to install this. To download this theme, you can go to the description box of this video and you will find a link. When you click on that link, you will land on different website. Or the second option, you can open up a new tab or you can type runnersvfx.com/lgreco. This is the link that you have to type on your computer and then press enter. It will take you to this website. So guys, this is the theme that I'm talking about. This is not only a theme, this is a theme that allows us to bring more sale on our website. You can see that this theme will work on mobile devices as well, just like a mobile app. Alright, if you scroll down, you can see that these are the features that comes with this theme. I highly recommend you to go and buy this theme. You can buy this theme by clicking on buy theme button and then you have to complete the purchase and you will have your theme. Since I already have this theme, let's go ahead and install this theme. Let's close this tab and let's install this theme. You can click on browse button or you can simply drag and drop your theme file over here. So let's go ahead and install our theme. Let's drag and drop and then click on install now. Alright, now let's click on activate. So guys, if you encounter error messages like this, 𝗵𝗵𝗿𝗆 loader not found, to fix that, there are two things that you keep in mind. That first, your theme PHP version and your web hosting PHP version should be the same. Second, you should install 𝗵𝗵𝗿𝗆 on your web hosting. You can read the instruction over here if you want. As you can see from AliDropship, they give us the instructions to install 𝗵𝗵𝗿𝗆 on your web hosting. If your website hosted on GoDaddy, you can read the instructions from here. You can go to your cPanel and software. Under the software section, select your PHP version and select your 𝗵𝗵𝗿𝗆 and click on save. This is how you can install 𝗵𝗵𝗿𝗆. If you have hosted your website on different web hosting provider, then you can read the instructions from here. In my case, I have hosted my website on GoDaddy. I'm going to log in into my GoDaddy's account. Let's click on sign in. Click on sign in. Now scroll down. Under the web hosting, click on manage. Now go to cPanel admin by clicking over here. Alright, so now we are inside the cPanel admin. To change a PHP version or to install 𝗵𝗵𝗿𝗆, simply go to select PHP version option under the software section. Let's click on that. And make sure your website PHP version should be the same as your theme PHP version. Now let's go ahead and install 𝗵𝗵𝗿𝗆. Press Ctrl F and type 𝗵𝗵. Here it is. Let's check this box. So as you can see that we have successfully enabled this module. Alright, let's go back to your website. Let's log in once again. Session has expired. Alright, let's refresh our website. Alright guys, so as you can see that problem has gone. Let's go ahead and visit our site. So this is our website looks like after installing a theme. There is no content on this website. This is a fresh, brand new website. We will build this website from scratch. Let's close these tabs. So now we are going to look at the essential settings of WordPress website. Whenever you launch a new website, these are the settings that you should implement on your website. Let's go ahead, click on settings, and you can go to the general option. Here, first thing first, you should change your website title. I'm gonna type my website title, Naughty Kid. And here you should type your website tagline, Kids Fashion. So here you have to type your administration email address. So I'm gonna type mine. Since this is an e-commerce website, make sure you check this option. Anyone can register on this website. News user default role, subscriber, that is good. Site language, English, United States, which is good. Time zone, you can change your time zone if you want. I'm from India. I'm going to select UTC 5:30. Date format, good. Time format, this is good. And then click on save changes. So here we have to verify our email address. Let's go to your mailbox. Let's verify this email. Now go ahead and click on save changes. Let's close these tabs. And now let's go to writings tab. Everything is good here. We do not need to change anything over here for right now. Let's go to readings tab. So here you can choose your website homepage. Let's say you have created a unique and beautiful homepage for your website. You can select this option and you can choose that page from here. Okay. Since this is a brand new website, there is no web page that we have created for our website homepage. Let's go ahead and select the first option, your latest post, and rest of the things are good here. We don't need to change anything over here. Let's go ahead and click on save changes. Let's go to discussion tab. So here you can choose user must register and logged in to comment. You can select this option if you want. By enabling this option, going to help us to protect our website from spammers. Let's go ahead and scroll down and click on save changes. Let's go ahead and click on media. Everything is good here. Let's go to permalinks. So guys, this is the very important settings that you should change on your website because this relates to SEO, search engine optimization. make sure you select the post name from your permalink settings. This means whenever you post a new product on your website, your product name should be like your website name / a t-shirt or blue t-shirt, something like that, instead of these unique codes or date. These are not SEO friendly. Okay, so keep in mind that. Make sure select your post name under the permalinks settings. Once you do that, click on Save Changes. Alright, let's go to privacy. You can create a new privacy policy page by clicking on Create, but we are going to create this privacy policy page later on in this video, but we are going to leave this page as it is. Alright, so that's the essential settings that you should implement on your website whenever you launch a new website. Alright, now let's move with our next step. In this step, we are going to install a special plugin. That plugin will turn our simple website into AliExpress dropshipping website. So let's go ahead and hover your mouse over plugins and then click on Add New. And then click on Upload Plugins. So here we have to install that special plugin. To get that plugin, you can go to the description box of this video, or you can type this website URL, runnersvfx.com/AliDropship. You will find the same website URL in the description box of this video. When you click on that link, you will land on this website. So guys, you will get this plugin for only $89. This would be a one-time payment, guys. This is gonna be worth the money to buy this plugin because there are so many incredible features that comes with this plugin. You can't imagine that. This is a money-making machine, guys. You can read the success stories of those people who made so much money with this plugin. So go ahead and buy this plugin, guys, right away. Once you buy this plugin, let's go back to your WordPress website and let's install this plugin. I already bought this plugin. Let's go ahead and install this plugin. Let's drag and drop this plugin over here. Let's click on Install Now. So guys, this is the AliExpress Woo version of this plugin. You can buy a simple plugin, AliDropship, without Woo version, but I like Woocommerce. I can add extra functions to my website. Just keep watching this video, you will find out what I mean by that. Place current with uploaded. And now click on Activate Plugin. So now you see error messages like this. Please install and activate Woocommerce Plugin to make AliDrop Woo Plugin work properly. So let's go ahead and install this Woocommerce Plugin. Click on Add New. Come over here and type Woocommerce. And let's install this plugin. Click on Install Now. Update failed. Sometime this happen. Let's go to Install Plugin. So Woocommerce Plugin has been installed. Now we need to activate this plugin. Let's go ahead, click on Activate. So now let's go ahead, click on Skip Setup Store Details. Then click on No Thanks. Close this. Let's go to the dashboard. So as you can see that AliDropship Woo Plugin now launch a latest version. Let's go ahead and update this plugin. Let's click on Update Now. Let's click on Update Now, or you can go to Plugin page. First of all, let's delete the useless plugin. Let's delete this one because we don't really need them. Let's delete the Hello Dolly. Let's delete this one. Limit login attempt reload. Let's deactivate this one as well. Let's delete this one. Click OK. So now we have only AliExpress Woo Plugin, really simple SSL, and the Woocommerce plugin. Let's go ahead and click on Update Now to update this plugin. Like I said, if you buy a premium plugin, you will get lifetime update. Plugin has been updated successfully. Let's go ahead, click on Dashboard. Alright, our website and store is ready to move on. So this is our website store. There is no product in it. And this is our website, which does not have any content in it. Alright, let's go ahead and close these tabs. So alright, now we have done everything. We have installed a plugin, we have installed a theme, but we need to activate plugin and theme with a license key. To do that, let's go ahead and activate AliDropship Woo Plugin. Let's go to AliDropship Woo and then click on License and type your license over here and then click on Activate. So now you can see that congratulations, your license has been activated. Let's go to main menu. So now we are going to activate our Greco Woo theme. So here type your license and click on save. Congratulations, your license has been activated. Let's go back to your dashboard by clicking over here. Alright, let's move with our next step. In this step, we are going to install required and recommended plugins for this theme. So let's go ahead, hover your mouse over 𝗲𝗍𝗀𝗄 Woo and then click on General. So here you can see that these are the required plugins and some of them are recommended plugins. So we are going to select only those plugins that we want, right? So WooCommerce is already installed and active. So I'm going to unselect that. We need Classic Editor and 𝗲𝗵𝗿𝗆 Wishlist is a recommended plugin. This is a good plugin. So I'm going to select that as well. Contact Form 7 is a required plugin. So we have to select that. Next, we have to select AliDropship Social Tools, AliDropship Woo Product Videos. These are the required plugins. Metrics Converter, make sure select that, and make sure you select the Yoast SEO plugin as well. Once you select your plugins, then click on Install Plugins. Now wait for a couple of minutes. It will install all the plugins for you guys. Alright, now recommended and required plugins has been installed and active successfully on our website. Now let's move with our next step. In this step, we are going to install a demo website. Whenever it comes to build a website from scratch, installing a demo website, it makes it easy to build a website from scratch. You don't need to worry about managing every single page or widgets or settings, something like that. You will get a ready-made website. All you have to do is just change few settings of your website according to your requirement and you are ready to go. Let me show you what I mean by that. Let's go ahead and install a demo website. You can go to your theme. Under the General tab, you can see that right side we have the demo button right here. Let's go ahead, click on that. It will install the contact forms, pages, WooCommerce category, navigation, widgets, and settings, all that for you guys. Demo content was installed successfully. Now let's go ahead and look at your website. Right click, visit your site. Alright guys, as you can see that now we have a demo website. Everything is here for you guys. All you need to do is just customize your website further, right? So this is the easiest way to build a website from scratch. That's why we prefer a premium quality theme because with the premium theme, we have the option to install a demo website. So let's go ahead and move with our next step. In this step, we are going to look at the WooCommerce Plugin settings. Hover your mouse over WooCommerce and then click on Settings. So here you have to type your store address. Let's quickly type your store address over here. So I'm going to type mine. Under the general options, selling location. If you want to sell your product on a specific country, you can select that and you can simply type that country. If you want to sell your product all over the globe, then you can select sell to all countries, right? Shipping location, ship to all countries you sell to. This is the right option if I go with sell to all countries, right? Default customer location, shop based address. This is right. If you want to enable tax rate, you can do that. Let's go ahead, enable the tax rate and calculation. Next, we have the enable coupons. I'm going to enable this option because this will allow my customer to buy product with the coupon code. Next thing you need to look at the currency option. You can select your currency. I'm from India. I'm going to type Indian rupee. Next, currency position, left, which is good. Everything is good here. Let's click on Save Changes. Let's go to the product tab. Shop page should be the shop page. Add to cart behavior. If you enable this option, this will allow your customer to redirect to the cart page after successfully adding a product into the cart page. So I'm not going to enable that. I'm going to allow my customer to add more products into their cart and then they can proceed to the cart page whenever they want, right? Placeholder image, 10 image would be fine. Under the measurement option, we have the weight unit and dimension unit. If you're selling heavy product, then you can go with kg. Since I'm planning to sell clothes, so I'm going to select G. Dimension unit, I'm going to select centimeter, right? Reviews, you can enable reviews or you can disable reviews. So I'm going to leave it as it is. Show verified owner label on customer review. This is a good option, so I'm going to keep it as it is. Everything is good here. So let's go ahead, click on Save Changes. Now let's go ahead and look at the inventory tab. Under the inventory, manage stock. make sure you check that. Hold stock minutes 60 minutes would be fine. It will hold the stock for 60 minutes. Under the notification, you can check this option because this is very useful option. When it comes to getting low stock on your website of any specific product, you will get notified if you enable these options. If your product get out of stock, then you will get notified after checking this option, right? So very useful option. Make sure you check that as well. Notification receipt. In which email address you want to receive a notification, you can type your email address over here. So here you can type your low threshold, which means if your product quantity has only 2 quantity left, then you will get notified. Out of stock, which is 0, you will get notified. Everything is good here. You can increase the low threshold. Out of stock visibility, hide out of stock items from catalog. If you want to check this option, that means if any product goes out of stock on your website, by checking this option, that specific product will be disappear from your website. Only you can see on your website after login into your dashboard. Your visitor, your subscriber will not see that specific product on your website. So I'm not gonna enable this option because I don't want to hide any product, right? Stock display format. Here you can choose different types of option you want on your website according to your requirement. If you like always show quantity remains in a stock, for example 12 in a stock alongside with the product, you can do that as well. If you go with second option, this means when product quantity comes to 2, then you will see this option, otherwise you will not see this option, right? If you go with never show quantity remaining in stock, you can select that as well. This means you will not see any stock remaining items alongside with your product, right? So we are good here in the inventory tab. Let's go ahead, click on save changes. Under the downloadable product, we don't need to change anything because this is not a digital product selling website. This is a physical product selling website. So let's go ahead, skip this tab, and let's go ahead quickly open a text tab. So under the text tab here, you can see that there are 2 text classes are already there. You can create your own text class by going here and press enter and type your text class. I'm from India. In here we deal with GST, so I'm gonna type GST. Let's say I'm selling clothes on my website. On clothes, GST applied something like 10%, so I'm gonna type GST 10 and I'm gonna press enter. Let's say there are other text class applied on clothes, let's say GST 12. Once you do that, let's scroll down and click on save changes, and you will see there are a few more tabs available for us to edit. Let's go ahead and click on GST 10 rates. So here I'm gonna click on insert row. In the country code, I'm gonna type my country code IN, which stands for India. Okay, next leave the state code and postcode. Let's go ahead and quickly jump to the rate percentage. I'm gonna type 10, and text name I'm gonna type GST 10, and uncheck the shipping option and then click on save changes. Alright, let's go ahead and click on GST 12 rates, and here click on insert row and type your country code, select India, and let's jump straight into the rate percentage, and I'm gonna type 12, and text name I'm gonna type GST 12, uncheck the shipping option and then click on save changes. Alright, we are good here. Let's go ahead and click on shipping tab. So under the shipping tab, we are going to create a shipping zone. So let's go ahead, click on add shipping zone. So here I'm gonna type my zone name. So let's say I'm selling product in my state. I'm from Punjab. I'm gonna type my state. Let's say I'm selling clothes only in Punjab, then apply a different shipping cost. What if I selling clothes on different states except Punjab? Then I'll apply different types of shipping cost. So let's go ahead and type your zone name and then select your zone region, Punjab, India. Then click on add shipping method, select flat rate, click on add shipping method. Let's click on edit. So tax status should be taxable. So under the cost here, you cannot type simply $1. You can type something like 1.0 .00 space multiply square bracket and 𝗀𝗁 square bracket. You can see the formula right here once you hover your mouse over this question mark. That means if you are selling one t-shirt, the $1 will be multiplied with the quantity. Let's say you are selling a one t-shirt. In that case, the shipping cost will be $1 multiplied by quantity. However, if you are selling multiple t-shirts, then the shipping cost will be $1 multiplied by quantity, right? So make sure you use this formula whenever you create a shipping class. Okay, let's go ahead, click on save changes. So we are good here. So I have created a shipping zone for my state. Let's go ahead and create a shipping zone for different states. Let's go ahead, click on shipping zone, leave page, and let's go ahead, click on add shipping zone. So in the zone name, I'm gonna type all India because I'm going to create a shipping zone for rest of the states. So in India, I'm gonna select all the states. So as you can see that I have selected all the states, but I haven't selected Punjab because I already created my state shipping zone separately. Once you select rest of the states, let's go ahead, click on add shipping method. Flat rate should be selected. Let's go ahead, click on shipping method, click on edit. For example, for rest of the states, the shipping cost will be $2. Then I will type 2.00 space multiply space bracket start 𝗀𝗁 and bracket close, and then click on save changes. Once you do that, let's go back to your shipping zone, leave the page. So as you can see that we have created two types of shipping zone. So I have created shipping zone for my state and I have created shipping zone for rest of the India, right? So this is how you can create a shipping zone for your specific products. If you want to create a free shipping zone, you can do that as well. Let's go ahead and create a free shipping zone. Let's go ahead, click on add shipping zone. So I'm gonna type a shipping zone name. I'm gonna type Punjab. Here I'm gonna select Punjab, India, add shipping method, free shipping, add shipping method, edit. Let's say you want to give a free shipping class on specific product on your selected state. Then you can use this option, free shipping requirements. Here you can select a valid free shipping coupon, minimum order value, or you can select a minimum order amount or a coupon. So I'm going to select a minimum order value. Let's say if product cost would be something like 700, then there would be a free shipping. Here you can apply a coupon discount if you want, apply minimum order rule before coupon discount if you want. So I'm not gonna check that. So let's go ahead, click on save changes. Let's go back to shipping zone, leave the page. So as you can see that we have created a flat rate shipping zone and we have created a free shipping zone as well. So let's go ahead and click on payments option. So under the payment tab, you can enable different types of payment gateway. But for now, we are going to enable only PayPal standard payment gateway. So let's go ahead and enable the PayPal standard by clicking over here and then click on setup. So make sure your PayPal standard is enabled. Here you can type your title. PayPal is good. You can type your description. This is also good. PayPal email. You can type your PayPal email over here. PayPal sandbox. This is a test mode. Let's go ahead and enable the PayPal sandbox. I'm going to enable this just because of I want to show you how your customer can place an order on your website and how it looks like after completing a purchase on your website. I'm going to enable this option just for now, but in your case, when you completely design your website, then you can simply remove this option from here because this is just a test mode. And then simply scroll down. So here type your PayPal email in which you would like to receive a payment, right? Now PayPal identity token, leave it as it is. Scroll down and here we need a API credentials, sandbox API credential. This is happening because of we select this option. If we uncheck this option, you will see live API username, password and signature. So in your case, whenever you completely design your website, you just type your live API username and password to work this payment gateway, right? But let's go ahead and check this box and let's type your sandbox API username. So where you're gonna get this? Well, let's go ahead, click on this link. So this is the web page where you get all your API credentials. Let's go ahead, click on login to dashboard, type your email and click on next. Type your password and then click on login. Alright, so now we have successfully logged in into our PayPal developer account. So this is the dashboard of my PayPal. Once you log in into your PayPal account, let's go ahead, hover your mouse over here and click on accounts under the sandbox. So here you have to create an account. Let's go ahead, click on create account and this window will pop up. So here you have to create two types of account. First you have to create a personal account and then you have to create a business account. Let's go ahead, create a personal account first. Now here you can see that you have to select your country. Let's go ahead, select your country. I'm from India. Let's go ahead, select India and then click on create. So as you can see that this is my personal account that we just created. Let's hover your mouse over here, three dots and then click on view edit account. So as you can see that this is the email whenever you want to test your sandbox account. Okay. So we will use this information later on. Let's copy this information and paste it on Notepad and copy your password and paste it on your Notepad. Alright, let's close this. So let's go ahead and create a second account. Let's click on create account. And now this time we are going to create a business account. Select this option and select your country and then click on create. So this is our business account. Let's hover your mouse over here and then click on view edit account. So now you can see that we have this option, this tab right here, API credentials. Let's go ahead, click on that. So as you can see that this is our sandbox username, password and signature. Let's go ahead, copy and paste it into our website. Let's go back to your website and paste your username over here and type your sandbox API password. Let's go back to your developer PayPal and copy the password and paste it over here. And now paste your API signature, sandbox API signature, copy and paste it over here. And then click on save changes. So guys, this is your PayPal. So guys, this is your PayPal sandbox test mode. However, if you want to use your live API credentials, then you can go to your PayPal dashboard and then click on App Center and then click on all apps. Now scroll down. Here you can see that API credentials. Let's go ahead, click on that. Let's go ahead, click on get started. So guys, these are your live API credentials. You can simply copy them, use into your PayPal payment gateway if you do not want to use your sandbox PayPal, right? So let's go ahead, close this tab. Now simply scroll down and make sure don't forget to click on save changes. After that, let's go ahead and click on accounts and privacy tab. So guys, here you can allow guest checkout if you want, or you can select this option, allow customer to log in into an existing account during checkout. These are the options that you can read and check it. These are the self-explanatory things that you can enable or disable from your website. But for now, I'm going to leave it as it is. There is no need to change anything from here. If you scroll down, you can see there is a privacy policy section. Here you can type your own privacy policy of your website and check out privacy policy right here as well. Once you do that, don't forget to click on save changes. Let's go ahead and click on emails. So guys, first 3 emails should be yours. Let's say you want to send an email after placing a new order, then your customer will receive an email from your email address that is right here. If you want to send email on different types of activities like complete order or processing order, then you can edit that email address from here, right? But for me, it's good here. Let's scroll down and click on save changes. Let's go to the integration tab. No need to change over here. Let's go to the advanced tab. So guys, here cart page should be the cart page, checkout page should be the checkout page, my account page should be the my account page, terms and condition page, you have to select your terms and condition page. If you do not have the terms and condition page, then go ahead and create a terms and condition page. Since we have imported our demo website, so there is terms and condition page available for us. Let's go ahead, click on terms and condition page. Scroll down. Here you can edit these text. After checkout endpoint, you can change anything you want. But for me, this is perfect. No need to change anything over here. Let's go ahead, click on Save Changes. Alright, so we have successfully complete our WooCommerce plugin settings. If you want to learn more about WooCommerce, you can check out my separate video. You will find that video link in the description box of this video. In that video, I'll show you everything about WooCommerce, how it's work, what else you can do with the WooCommerce plugin from start to finish. Make sure you watch that video as well. So now we are good here. Let's go to the dashboard. Alright guys, now let's move with our next step. In this step, we are going to look at AliDropship Woo settings. So let's go ahead, hover your mouse over AliDropship and click on that, and then click on settings. So in the general option, we have the order fulfillment. So in this option, you can provide your own number if you want, because with this option, if customer does not provide their number, then you can manage the order by giving your number. So guys, next we have the custom note for supplier. We are dropshipping. Please do not include any invoice or promo material into the package. So I think you should include this note as well, or you can write your own. Let's go ahead and scroll down. So guys, whenever you make any changes, don't forget to click on Save Changes. Right? So under the product image, in here, you can delete all the product image when remove products. You can remove featured image, gallery image, variation, product description image if you want, right? This is all up to you. Next, scroll down. This is a tracking services. What kind of tracking services you want to use on your website? I'm gonna select the first option, 17 track. So next we have the order shipped notification, do not attach tracking. You can use these options if you want. These are all up to you guys. Some of you may like these options, some of you may not. Read them and you can use these options, right? So in my case, I'm not gonna turn them on. I'm gonna leave it default. In some cases, these options are good. In some cases, you don't really need them, right? Finally, we have the AliExpress cashback. This is a AliExpress affiliate program. Once you join that, you will get a cashback URL, and you paste that URL over here. Whenever a customer buy product from your website, you will get a 12% commission for that specific product, right? So this is another good way to earn money from, not only with dropshipping, you can earn money with the AliExpress affiliate program as well. All right. And remember that whenever you change any settings from any specific section of your plugin, don't forget to click on Save Changes once you made any changes. So we haven't changed anything over here. So let's go ahead and look at the pricing. So guys, here, first thing first, let's look at the pricing makeup formula. So guys, here you can create your own formula by clicking on Add New Formula button, or you can use the recommended formulas by clicking on Add Recommended button right here. So now pricing formula has been added to your website automatically. This plugin has made recommended formulas. If you do not know how to create formulas, then simply use the recommended formulas. However, in any case, if you want to create new pricing formulas, you can go ahead, click on Add New Formulas. This way you can create your own pricing formulas, right? To learn more about pricing formulas, you can check out the description box of this video. I will create a separate video for you guys about pricing formulas, right? So let's go ahead and look at the next section. Next, we have the price rounding. Here you can see that you can enable price rounding if you want. This is very good option. I'm gonna enable that option. Let's go ahead, click on Save Changes. So guys, whenever you create a pricing formula or whenever you change any formula, don't forget to click on Update Price. This way, all of your product price will be updated. Okay, so keep in mind that. Let's go ahead and click on Save Changes. Now let's go ahead and click on Currency tab. So as you can see that we have the inbuilt currency switcher that comes with this theme. Let's go ahead and enable that. So on my website, default currency is Indian rupee. You can change your website currency from here, or you can add more currency by clicking on the additional currencies button. Let's say you are selling product in USA, Let's type United States dollar, or you can add more currency if you want. Let's say Australian dollar. All right, that's it. Let's go ahead, click on save changes. I've selected 4 currencies, right? Let's go ahead, look at the update tab. So here, settings apply to all category. When a product disappear or is out of stock, what should happen? Send to default or store. You can choose different types of option, or you can say do nothing. I'm gonna say do nothing. Leave it as it is. It will show to the customer like product out of stock. Or you can say notify me. By enabling notify me option, you will get notified whenever product get out of stock from your website, right? So I'm gonna check this option as well. When variation disappear or out of stock, what should happen? Do nothing, or should disable or enable? What do you want to do? It's all up to you. So these are the settings are self-explanatory, guys. You can change anything according to your preferences. So guys, whenever you change your settings, by clicking on save changes will not work. Okay, make sure you click on update now. This way all your product settings will update by clicking on update now. If you have product on your website, but now we don't have any product on this website, so there is no point to clicking on update now. Let's go ahead, click on save changes. All right, let's go ahead, click on manage attributes. So guys, here you can manage attributes. We don't have any product on this website. I'm not gonna do anything over here. Let's go ahead, look at the appearance tab. So guys, these are the options that you can change according to your preferences. Everything is self-explanatory, guys. Once you're happy with your desirable settings, don't forget to click on save changes. Let's look at the export settings. So guys, here you can import or export settings of other created dropshipping website. Let's say you have another AliExpress dropshipping website. Here you can export AliExpress settings, tracking services settings, or you can import them from different website of dropshipping. Let's say you have another dropshipping website with the same plugin and you want to import only AliExpress settings. Simply you can click on import and you have to upload that file, and on this website AliExpress settings will be updated according to that. Okay, and you can export that particular settings as well if you want. Now we are good here. Let's look at the tracking. So guys, here you can track all your orders that you have placed an order on AliExpress. So let's go ahead and click on add-ons. So guys, these are the add-ons that you can add on your website to add extra functionality to your website. Right? So there are so many add-ons that you can use. Alright guys, so we are done here. Now let's move with our next step. In this step, we are going to import product directly from AliExpress into our store. So let's go ahead and look at how we can do that. First of all, let's go ahead and click on AliDropship Woo and then click on import. So guys, there are a couple different ways you can import product from AliExpress. You can import product from here as well, as you can see that by clicking on import button you can import that product. But for now, let's go ahead and look at the best way to import product from AliExpress into our website. So let's go ahead and click over here. So let's go ahead and let's see how we're gonna do this. So guys, you can import product by clicking over here, direct import from AliExpress. So guys, first thing first, you have to create an account on AliExpress. If you don't have, click on the join button and join AliExpress. Once you do that, you are ready to import product from AliExpress. I already have account on AliExpress, so I'm going to click on sign in. Then I'm going to type my email and my password. Alright, as you can see that I have successfully logged in. So guys, now we are going to install a extension that allow us to import product directly from AliExpress. Let's go back to your website and then click on install AliDropship extension. This extension will work only in Google Chrome. Keep in mind that. Let's go ahead, click on add to Chrome, then click on add extension. Extension has been added, as you can see that. Let's close this. Let's go ahead and click over here. I'm going to pin this extension over here. So let's go ahead and open your extension by clicking on it. Here, simply type your domain name. In my case, this is my domain. Let's copy my domain and paste it over here, and then click on add, and then click on login, and now click on authorize. All right, let's refresh the page. Let's go to your AliExpress website. Let's refresh the page. So guys, let's go ahead and open any product that you want. So I'm going to open product from specific category. So I'm going to import product by clicking on that particular item. So let's say I want to import this product. You can see that I have this button right here, import, and I have my website selected. So here you can choose a category. So in our website, we haven't created any category yet. So I'm going to leave it uncategorized, and I'm going to click on import, or you can click on edit as well. The product added to your import list, as you can see that. Let's close this product. Let's open a different one. So I'm going to import this product as well. This time I'm going to click on edit. So here you can see that you can edit this product directly from here. You can change the title if you want. I'm going to shorten the title, and I'm going to select my website category. I'm going to leave it uncategorized because we haven't created any category yet, but you can add this product into any category later on whenever you plan to publish that product on your website. If you scroll down, you can see that we have the description. You can change the description if you want. We have the images. So guys, everything will be imported from AliExpress, as you can see that, like images, text. So as you can see that pricing, apply pricing formula. If you check this option, this way you can apply a pricing formula to this particular product. So everything is good here. Let's scroll up, and I'm going to shorten my product URL as well because this is good for SEO. All right, let's go ahead and click on add to import list. So now we have added 2 products. Let's close this one. Let's go ahead and look at another product. So let's go ahead and open this one, and let's go ahead and click on import. Let's close this one. So guys, now we have added 3 products into the import list. Let's go back to your website and then click on main menu, and let's go ahead and click on products, all products. So as you can see that we have imported 3 products into our website. Now simply you can go ahead, click on edit button right here. So guys, from here just shorten the title as well as a URL, because now this product is SEO friendly, right? So as you can see that 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗆 plugin now telling us that readability is good, enable any SEO on this product, but I'll show you how you can do that. So here you can create a category by clicking on add new category. So I'm gonna type infant, and then I'm gonna click on add new category, and I'm gonna uncheck uncategorize, and I'm gonna scroll down. So this is a product image, which is good. So as you can see that everything has imported directly from AliExpress into our website. So you can see the video URL as well, video thumbnail, product gallery images. Let's keep scrolling down. So guys, if you want to remove any of these images, you can do that as well. Select that image, click on remove. You can remove that. You can align that image. Scroll down. So this is the part where you learn how to make SEO friendly product. So let's go ahead and look at how you can make a SEO friendly product. First of all, we have to type a focus keyword. So in this example, I'm gonna copy this title. I'm gonna remove the dash. Toddler winter. Let's scroll down. Here you can type your SEO title. Let's go back to the top. Let's copy the title and then scroll down. Let's click over here and delete everything and paste your title. And this is going to be your product URL. This is also good because your slug also have your focus keyword. let's type your short meta description of this product. This is going to be your meta description. Your meta description should also include your focus keyword. So let's go ahead and type your meta description for 𝗵𝗵𝗿𝗀. So once you see this green line, which means you are good here. So let's go ahead and click over here to expand this option. So here you can see everything for this product, like what are the things that make this product not SEO friendly and what else you have done to make this product SEO friendly, right? So 8 things you have done absolutely good to make this product SEO friendly, and 4 things you should add on this product to make this product perfectly SEO friendly. So let's go ahead and look at the internal links. So guys, you should add internal links. To add internal links, simply add another product link into this product page. Okay, so guys, these are the things that you should add on your website. But for now, this product SEO is okay, but it can be good like this. It can be green if you disappear the rest of the problems from your product, right? Read the instructions and remove all your product problems. Like you can remove image alt attribute, simply copy your focus keyword and let's go to your image. Let's edit that and paste your focus keyword on that particular image and then click on update, and this way you can remove the alt image. Okay, as you can see that we added only one alt text on one particular image. If you add, I don't know, maybe 5 or 10 alt text on the images that you added on your product, this problem will be gone, right? So guys, we are good here, and we forget to add the tags. Let's go ahead and let's add few tags, like you can add infant, fashion, whatever you want, something like that. Once you're happy with your changes, let's go ahead and click on publish. All right, let's go ahead and look at the store. So guys, as you can see that this is our store on AliExpress. This product, if I change my currency from here, Indian rupee, save. Let's go ahead, open the same product from your website. On AliExpress, you can see the price 1500 to 1569. On your website, you are selling this 1959 to 2048 rupee, right? So guys, this is the commission you are getting out of this product. If you are still not happy with the commission, then you can use different pricing formulas, right? So let's go ahead and close this option. So guys, this is how you can import products. So let's go ahead and move with our next step. Alright guys, now let me show you how you can manage and complete your pending orders from your website. Let's say someone going to place an order in your website. What should you do after receiving an order from your customer? So guys, before we look at how we're gonna manage that pending order, let's go ahead publish more product into our website. So you can see that we have published only one product and these 2 products still under the import list. Let's go ahead and publish them. Let's go ahead, click on quick edit. Let's go ahead, click on published and click on update. Click on quick edit. Go here, click on published, scroll down and click on update. So now we have published 3 products on our website, and let's go ahead and open our website in private window. Copy our website URL, open a private window and paste it and open your website. So now this is our website and these are the products that we have published in our website. And let's go ahead and open the product that you want. Let's say your customer wants to buy this product right here. Let's open it. If you remember that we allow our customer to place an order as a guest mode, your customer does not require to create an account on your website to complete an order. Your customer can place an order as a guest. So let me show you what I mean by that. Your customer does not need to log in first to place an order on your website. They can simply select the variation like color and the size, stuff like that. After doing that, they can increase and decrease the quantity right here. Okay. Now let's simply go ahead, click on add to cart. your customer can go to the cart page and they can go to the checkout page. Let's go ahead and look at the cart page right here. So guys, this is our beautiful cart page. Your customer can use a coupon code. If you provide them a coupon code, they will get a discount on this product. And you can see the cart total right here. This is a shipping cost. They will have to pay 1 rupee. So guys, if you remember in the step, we were creating a shipping class. We created a shipping class according to dollars, but we set up our website currency into Indian rupees. That's why we are seeing a 1 rupee, right? Instead of dollar. So make sure you set up your shipping class according to your website currency. So let's go ahead, click on proceed to checkout. So guys, first of all, you can see this notice right here. Due to extremely high demand, your cart is reserved only for this minutes, right? This type of notice force your customer to place an order within a minute. So very useful tool right here. You can see that. So guys, here your customer have to type their billing information. Let's go ahead, fill in the billing information right here. All right, now let's go ahead, check this box and then click on proceed to PayPal. So because we only set up a PayPal payment gateway, that's why we have only one option. If you remember that step when we setting up our PayPal payment gateway, in that step, we set up our PayPal payment gateway as a sandbox test mode, right? In that time, we had created personal and business account to use a fake money to complete this order, right? So let's go ahead and type our PayPal sandbox email and password, and then we are going to log in. So guys, this is the information that we copy paste in a notepad. So now we are going to use that. Let's copy our email and paste it over here and type your password over here. So this is our password. Let's copy it and paste it over here. And let's go ahead, click on login. So guys, now we have to pay this amount with the fake money. Let's type 3 digits CVV number. You can type whatever you want and then click on pay now. All right, as you can see that we have successfully paid this amount, and your customer will see exact same note once they place an order on your website. Let's go ahead, click on return to merchant. So now your customer will see this type of message. Thanks for your payment. Your transaction has been complete and a receipt for your purchase has been emailed to you. Log in into your PayPal account to view transaction details. And now let's look at what kind of email they will receive from our website once they place an order right here. Okay, let's go ahead, open email of your customer. So guys, as you can see that we have just received an email from this website. Let's go ahead, open up this email. All right, so you can see that big note right here. Thanks for your order. And you will see a small message right here. Thanks for your order. It's on hold until we confirm that payment has been received. In the meantime, here's a reminder of what you ordered. So every single information your customer will receive with this email. And now let's look at your site, dropshipping website owner site, what they should do next once they receive an order from their customer. So guys, let's go back to website, and now hover your mouse over WooCommerce and then click on orders. So guys, here you can see a person name who placed an order on our website. Order placed 5 minutes ago. Order status on hold. Let's go ahead, click on that button right here on hold, or you can click over here. So guys, here you can see a billing information, shipping information, email address and phone number, stuff like that. All you have to do, you have to place this order on AliExpress. Once you place an order, you will get a tracking ID. Then you can provide a tracking ID to your customer. You will get that tracking ID somewhere around here once you place an order. Sometimes you have to place an order manually by clicking over here. And most of the cases you get button something like place an order automatically. By clicking on that button, everything will be done for you, like your billing information be filled up automatically, shipping information filled up automatically. All you have to do, you have to just pay the amount, right? So this is how you're going to complete an order on your website. So now let's go ahead and move with our next step. Alright guys, now let's move with our next step. In this step, we are going to customize our AliExpress dropshipping website. So let's go ahead and open our website. Hover your mouse over here, right click, open up in a new tab. So this is our website. So guys, now click on customize. So guys, on every single section, you will see this type of button. Whenever you click on that button, you will be redirected to the different types of section where you can edit those settings or you can customize that section, right? So guys, now we are in this section, logo and site identity. You can open up the same settings by going to the header section, logo and site settings. Here you can change that settings as well, but these buttons are very useful. This will allow us to jump straight into that particular settings. You don't have to find that specific area of this web page, right? So very useful option. So guys, here I'm going to add my own website logo. First of all, I'm going to remove this and I'm going to click on select image. So here I'm going to drag and drop my logo file. So guys, as you can see that this is my logo. Logo is selected and then click on select. Now look at here. So this is my logo. Let's decrease the logo container size. I'm okay with 80. I'm good here. And here you can change your site title, tagline, and you can add your site icon. So this is going to be your site icon. So let's go ahead and add that as well. Go to media library. I'm gonna select my same logo, select that, and then click on crop image. So guys, as you can see that we have the same icon right over here. Once you're happy with your changes, don't forget to click on publish. All right, let's edit this element as well. So guys, here you can change cart icon if you want. You can select different types of cart icon. You can change cart icon color, bubble background, whatever you want. Okay, so I'm going to leave it as it is. Let's go ahead, click on publish. So guys, now let's edit this slider. You can see that there are 3 images. Let's go ahead, click on this button right here to edit this element. So guys, now we are inside this slider. So guys, here you can see that by default there are 3 sliders. You can add more if you want. If you want to edit any slider, you can simply come and expand that slider. So guys, here you can remove the image. You can add your own image. You can see that the image size that you can add over here. If you scroll down, you can see the image for mobile devices. You can see the size. If you open this website on mobile devices, this image will not show. Instead of this image will appear on mobile devices. So keep in mind that whenever you design your background image on Photoshop or any other photo editing program, use the same width and height to design your photos. So I'm not gonna remove these images because I haven't designed any image for my website. And next you can see that slide view type, default, image only. You can choose whatever you want. It's all up to you guys. And next you can see that slide URL. Here you can add a slide URL. Let's say you have a product. Let's say you have added a brand new product or a specific product and you want to display that product on your website homepage using slider. You can add that product image over here, and with that product image you can add a product URL right here. So whenever someone going to click on shop now button, that person will be redirected to that particular product, right? So let's go ahead and scroll down. You can see that we have the title, the holiday gift guide. You can see the title over here. You can change that as well. Let's say hello. So as you can see that that title has updated immediately. You can type whatever you want. I'm gonna leave it as it is. I'm going to undo that. Let's scroll down, and next we have the title color, title font size, main button text. This is main button. You can change anything over here. You can type buy now, shop now, whatever you want. You can change any text over here. So this will be your button URL. Again, you can add your product URL if you want. You can add your category URL if you want. Whatever you want, you can simply add over here. Next we have the additional button type, video, text, none. You can select whatever you want. You can change these settings according to your preferences, guys. This is not fixed settings that you should have on your website. Try different types of settings on your website. Additional button text, view videos, stuff like that. Here you can add your video URL, slider, text overlay, color. You can add that. So guys, this way you can add slider on your home page. If you want to remove any slider, simply extend that, scroll down, and you can see we have this remove button. You can remove that slider by clicking on remove button, right? so I'm not going to remove that. Like I said, you can add new slider by clicking over here. Slider font family, you can choose different types of font for your slider. So I'm going to leave it default. Autoplay, make sure you check this option. Slider delay, you can add less or more delay if you want for this slider to move on like this. Finally, these are the colors that you can change on your slider. So once you're happy with your changes, don't forget to click on publish. So now let's go ahead and scroll down. You can see that we have this section right here, shop by category. You can edit that section as well. So guys, here you can change the title, shop by category, and then you can edit these categories as well. First we have this dangle earrings. You can edit this image, you can remove this image, or you can add your own image. You can see the size of this image right here. Design your own image and add your own image, right? Category name, you can type your category name, description if you want, text color, overlay color, and finally you can add your category link over here. So by default it is a shop page, but you have to add your category link over here, right? So this is how you can edit this section. Let's scroll down. Next we have the best deal section over here. Let's go ahead, edit that section as well. So guys, here you can simply hide best deal if you want. As you can see that we just hide that section, but if you want to bring that section back, you can simply click on this eyeball. So now you can see that we have this section back into our website. So guys, you will get these 4 sections by default. If you want to change a title, you can do that as well. Like you can change best deal, you can change just arrived, trending now, and how many products you want to show on that particular page. Let's say in a best deal you want to show 3 products only, then you can simply type 3, or you can use plus or minus button right here. So guys, once you're happy with your changes, click on publish. Let's go back here, scroll down. So guys, here let's go to testimonial section by clicking on this pencil icon. So guys, you can edit this section as well. You can change the testimonials every auto rotation time in seconds, 5 seconds. It should be rotate every 3 seconds. This slider will be changed, or you can type simply 5 seconds maybe. So guys, if you want to change this text, you can change that as well. Why our customer love us, but I'm going to leave it as it is. So guys, there are 3 sliders. As you can see that testimonial 1, 2, testimonial 3. So again, you can remove this image if you want, and then you can change the customer name, text, star rating, 5-star rating, everything you can type over here. And if you want to remove this testimonial, you can remove that as well. However, if any case, if you do not want to show this section, you simply click on hide. This whole section will be removed from your home page of your website. Let's go ahead, click on show. Because I like this section, I'm gonna click on publish. Let's scroll down, and next this is a text that you can edit by clicking on edit this page button. Let me show you what I mean by that. Let's go ahead, close this. Let's go ahead, click on edit page. So this is that text that you can edit from here, right? So let's go ahead and remove this and click on update. Okay, let's go ahead, click on view page. Let's scroll down. You can see that we simply remove that area, and let's go ahead and look at this section right here. Be the first to know, discover new arrival, exclusive offers, and much more. So guys, here your customer can subscribe to your website newsletter. If you want to learn more about email marketing and newsletters, stuff like that, go ahead, check out the description box of this video and learn more about email marketing. And next, let's go ahead, click on customization. Let's scroll down. So guys, here you can edit this area as well if you want. Let's go ahead, click over here. So guys, here you can see that we have feature background color. You can change that background color if you want. Title color, text color. Next we have the features. Features 1, we have the free delivery on all order. Here is the icon. You can remove that icon if you want, and you can add your own icon. If you don't like any area, you can simply open that area and you can click on remove. this way you can remove that area from your home page, right? Once you're happy with your changes, don't forget to click on publish. So guys, next we have this contact area. You can click over here. You can change the title, right? So these are the HTML code, guys. You can change your phone number from here. You can see that. Don't mess around with the HTML code if you do not know about it. Here you can change your email. As you can see that this is the email. Here you can change the address. Scroll down. So this is the address. From here to here you can type your own address. Here you can add your own address as well. And next you can see that we have the navigation menu. This right here. Title, select menu, company info. You can remove that section if you want. Let's edit this section by clicking over here. Company info, about us. Everything you can edit by clicking on any specific area, right? So guys, let's go back. So guys, from here you can edit every single element of your website. If I keep showing you every single detail, then this video will be much longer, but there is no point to show you every single stuff. So guys, this is how you can customize your website. Now let's move with our next step. In this step, I'm going to show you how you can create a new categories and how you can create menus, sub menus, stuff like that. So let's go ahead, close this customization. And now let's go back to your dashboard. So guys, now let's go ahead and create a categories. So guys, there are two types of categories. First is a post type category. Second is a products type category. So in this video, we are going to create products category. So let's hover your mouse over products and then click on categories. So here you can see that by default, there are different types of category. And this is the one that we have created earlier when we were editing a product. So let's go ahead and select these categories and go to the bulk option and select delete and click on apply. So as you can see that we have removed that category. To create a new category, let's come over here and type a category name and then scroll down and click on add new category. So now we have two categories. Let's go ahead, click one more, kids t-shirts, scroll down, click on add new category. So now we have three categories. Let's go back to your website and then click on customize. And now go ahead, click on menus and now go to top menu. Now click on add items. First, I'm going to add a home page and then I'm going to add a blog page and then I'm going to click on the product category. Let's go ahead, expand the product category. Let's add infant, kids t-shirt, baby clothes, right? So you can see that these are the categories that we have added on this website. If you want to create a sub menu, you can simply drag and drop any category beneath any category you want, like this. So as you can see that we have created a sub menu as well. So this is how you can create a sub menu. Once you're happy with your changes, don't forget to click on publish. Let's go back to this area right here. Let's close the customization. Let's go back to your dashboard. So guys, this is how you can create your product category or any type of category or pages that you want. Even you can create a post category with the same way. If you wanted to create a pages, you can hover your mouse over here, then click on add new. This way you can add a new page on your website. So guys, now let's move with our next step. Alright guys, now I assume you have imported product directly from AliExpress into your website and you have designed your website. Your website is completely finished. Now you are ready to sell product from your store. But before that, make sure you submit your website on popular search engines like Google, Yahoo and Bing. These type of search engines going to help your website to visible on internet, right? Let's say you haven't submit your website on Google, then how Google going to know you are on the doorstep? So make sure press the doorbell of Google and then Google know you are his doorstep. Let's go ahead and submit our website on these type of search engines. But before that, look at the Yoast SEO plugins settings. Hover your mouse on this Yoast SEO plugin, then click on general. So guys, here you can see that zero problem. So we don't need to change anything over here. Let's go ahead, click on features. So guys, here you can see you can use this sitemap when you're going to submit your website on Google Webmaster Tool. Let's go ahead and let's click on integration. You do not need to change anything over here. Let's go ahead, click on Webmaster Tool. So guys, these are the search engines or webmaster tool. First, submit our website on Google. Let's go ahead, click on Google Search Console. Right click, open in a new tab. Now we have to verify our ownership of this domain. There are a couple different ways to verify our domain. First, you can paste your HTML code in the header section of your website. Let me show you how you can do that, or you can use other types of verification method. But for now, I'm going to use this one. This is very simple. Let's copy your tag. Let's go back to your website and let's go ahead and install a plugin. Hover your mouse over plugins and then click on add new. Let's search for insert header, and we are going to install this insert header and footer plugin by WP Beginners. Let's go ahead and install it and then click on activate. So once you install your plugin, let's hover your mouse over settings and then click on insert header and footer. So guys, in the header section, paste your webmaster HTML tag, copy it and paste it over here and scroll down and click on save. Now let's go back to Webmaster Center and then click on verify. So you can see that, great job, your domain is now verified. Let's go ahead, click on Search Console. So guys, now we are going to add another property on here. Let's click on add property. Let's copy my domain name from here. Let's go back and paste your domain and then click on continue. Ownership auto verified, go to property. Alright, as you can see that now we have successfully submit our website on Google Search Console. Now they will verify our website. Once they do that, they will send you an email notification at your email address. So guys, whenever you completely design your website, you can submit your sitemap over here by clicking on sitemap and then type your sitemap over here. You can get your sitemap URL under the features tab by clicking over here, and you can see the sitemap by clicking over here. So guys, you can copy the sitemap URL. Don't copy the whole URL, just copy this text like that and paste your sitemap over here and submit your sitemap. But I'm not going to submit my sitemap right now because my website is incomplete. So let's go ahead and submit our website on other search engines like Bing. Let's perform a Google search for Yahoo Search Console and open your first website. So guys, first we have to submit our website on Bing Webmaster Tool, and first let's go ahead and sign in. Let's sign in with the social icons on Bing. Once you sign in, and then go ahead, click on go to Webmaster Tool. So guys, here type your website URL. Let's copy your website URL and paste it over here. Let's remove the slash. Let's click on add. So you can see that we have to verify this domain. To verify this domain, we can use different types of verification method. You can use meta tag, you can use XML file. You can simply download this file and you can upload into your root directory. Let me show you how you can do that. Let's go ahead, download this file, save it. Let's go to your root directory. Let me go to my hosting. Click on web hosting. Let's sign in. Now I'm going to click on file manager. So this is my file manager. Let's go ahead and click on public.html. So guys, here I have to upload that file. Let's go ahead, click on upload and drag and drop your file over here. Now click on back to home. So as you can see that we have successfully uploaded our file into root directory of our website. Let's go back to your Bing Webmaster Tool and then click on verify. Congratulations, site addition successful. Let's click on done. So guys, here again, you can submit your website sitemap over here. Submit your sitemap. Here type your sitemap URL. Again, you can go to features tab. You can see your website sitemap. This is the URL that you should copy and paste it over here, right? I'm not going to submit my sitemap because my website is incomplete. So I'll repeat this process to submit your website on any search engines, right? Process will be the same. you can use these type of methods to verify your domain name authority, right? So once you do that, now your website will be ready to sell product online. So guys, now let's look at the rest of the settings of Yoast SEO plugin. Let's go ahead and click on search appearance. So guys, here under the general tab, make sure you select this separation. I'm going to select this one, knowledge graph and schema.org. So guys, here you have to select this website belongs to person or organization. I'm going to select person. Type your person name. In my case, this is an admin. Here you can upload your personal logo or avatar. You can go ahead and upload logo here. In my case, it is already uploaded. Let's go ahead and select that. That's good, and click on save changes. Next, let's go ahead, click on content type, setting for single post URL. Everything is good here. SEO title, you can type the SEO title for your website. You can type the meta description over here. Write a long meta description for your website. For my case, I haven't ready any meta description for this particular website. When I do that, I will submit my meta description over here, right? This thing that we are doing here, when people going to search your website on Google, they will see this type of meta description, site title. For example, if someone going to search my website on Google, you can see that this is the site title and this is the meta description. You can see here. Whenever you submit your website, people will see your meta description, whatever you type over here. And let's go ahead and leave rest of the thing as it is. Let's go to the pages. Show pages in search result. Yes, everything is good here. You can change SEO title of your page. You can type the meta description. Product. Do you want to show the products in search result? Yes, we would like to show products on search result as well. After your changes, don't forget to click on save changes. Let's go ahead and click on media. Everything is good here. Let's go to the taxonomies tab. Here, everything is good. You don't need to change anything over here. So guys, rest of the tabs are absolutely fine. Alright guys, so now we have completed our website from start to finish. I have explained almost everything in this video. However, if you still need more information of this website or any section of this website, feel free to comment in the comment section below. So that being said, goodbye, and I'll catch you guys next time.